The e-brake doesn't work, does it?
Nope. Gotta get the carrier bearing,
Yeah.
which kind of scares me.
You gotta stick a fork in it? Or just
No.
rip her out?
It's a two-piece, so there's a cap on it, and then you gotta fucking pop the cap off, and then theoretically it should just pull out. Okay.
Nice.
That was concerningly loose.
Yeah.
All right.
I think you went too far, man. Oh, come on. Right.
I'm not gonna jinx anything, but this is so far the easiest job I've ever done.
Oh, that was the dumbest thing you could say.
I said I'm not gonna jinx anything, so it doesn't count. It's lawn art. See, and then if anyone comes up and tries to attack you,
Oh.
thanks.
Gotcha.
Video is sponsored by IPD because it's sponsored by a video.
By IPD.
They sent this to me full price because they knew that I like paying money for my car. I got a new bushing, or not a bushing, a bolt, subframe bolt.
Oh, really?
So if you want to drill that one out, feel free. Outer boot. Fuck you open. Tommy Effia thinks he's everything. Well, he's canceled now. I got zinc plated stuff too. I don't even know if this is zinc plated. Okay. Back, this is Robert DIY. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to replace probably the easiest thing we've ever done. And I say that with wholeheartedly meaningfulness. In today's episode, you need this thing, whatever this is, and then a drive axle.
Sponsored by IPD.
Yeah, sponsored by It's good, okay? It's fine, it's fine. Look, that one is not my concern. The other side that doesn't even have a bolt in it is my concern.
Oh, it's a little, that one's real low over here.
Yeah, and that's with the jack on it.
And you drove this thing.
Yeah.
You were, wow.
It can't bend metal. It's only a couple thousand pounds.
When did this even happen?
This is when we were building the motor.
Because I swear I was just doing like this shot or whatever the other day and that was not rusted out.
You took videos of like all the handprints that are just in the paint.
I never saw the rust part of that.
I'm not concerned.
Well, that's easy to
However,
fix. That's dead.
I don't really
That's
want
totaled.
this.
My car's totaled too.
Yeah.
That one has it.
I mean, as soon as this starts growing, I'm done.
This is kind of new too.
That's new.
That's an easy fix.
That's
you
that's replaceable. A door is replaceable, but the frame is deteriorated.
That is what it is.
It's bad.
It's amazing how good the body still looks though.
I know. Yeah, for 225,000 miles and us doing all this to it, and there's like.
You mean us OEM plusifying it and making it run flawlessly for a potential buyer? Everything's for sale.
That one runs great.
Buy this one.
Overheat. Yeah, someone should buy that one actually. It's got clear taillights, so
yeah.
It's automatically 2022.
It's like $3,000.
Car.
It's not as forgiving when it's not broken.
Oh. Oh, it's so close. All right, now I do need your help. Go! Sorry, we're starting.
All right, we're good.
Ah! Ah! Oh.
Yeah.
Why do they make these oil pans so small? Like, what are you changing the oil on? An MR2? Oop, I dropped the O-ring.
Nah, it'll be fine.
I think we're good.
I think it's petered out enough.
It's still a steady stream. It's nice and sparkly, too.
Bye-bye.
almost fucking fell. Nah, that's a grill brush.
Works good.
The grill brush
Get
coming
all
in
that
handy.
char off your hubs.
We use the same grill brush on our wheel hubs.
You just might as well get it in your system while you can.
Apparently, the metal grill brushes that people use to make like burgers with, they can break off the metal pieces, get lodged in the burger, and then you eat it, and now it's lodged in your anything.
Everything. Well, unity.
Do the rotor too.
Yeah, you know, we're gonna bring it over to Wesley. He's gonna grind these down smooth for me. They're all warped. He was dead set on it yesterday.
Yeah, I know. Hit it with your purse. It's really hub centric when it's not pushed in all the way.
So I get my handy dandy mallet. You know, there's hammers in there. That's pretty good. Not gonna do anything because we're putting the spacer on.
Nope.
Oh, I need the mutekis.
The boob techies.
Yeah, camera. All set.
Yeah, here, I'll camber this out more for him. There. Look at that. That's camber.
Dude, my,
Definitely not toe or anything. Here,
why are you
look.
spinning it?
Look at the camber now. Now, yeah.
Little toe.
Look at that. Yeah, little toe. Who cares?
Hub-centric.
You and your hub centric.
Hub-centric. There, 2 threads. Jeez. You ran this? That few?
Well, that's what you have that for. The impact. Impact make you catch more thread.
Count? 1 ish, 2, 3.
Yep.
Snug. When you get a fourth and a half, fifth.
Well, yeah, once you get the rest down, you'll get like 5. That's not star pattern. Star pattern, Tom. Star.
It literally tells me. Oh, God.
You never took the class in like first grade where you put the block in the hole? Where you put the cylinder in the cylinder hole, and then you put the triangle in the triangle hole?
Yeah.
This is star.
It's Legos, man.
Oh.
There it is. Hey-oh. I know tie rod's bad, so.
Tie rod's left to right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Dude, oh my god, it's so low. Dude, it's so low. Look at this. Fit your credit card the long way.
Like goddamn whole ass knee in there.
Oh yeah, look at that fitment. You have positive camber.
I know, it's bad. Oh, we should have bolt checked it. Yeah. Well, that's a 5 mil. Oh, we didn't look at the.
Once we drop it, I think it'll fit pretty good. As if we didn't already know, because it was already on my car.
That clears the brakes?
Yeah, the 5 mil clears. If you didn't have the 5 mil, it would rub slightly.
Well, I know, but even there, it looks crazy.
Look at that.
Oh, this car's getting scarier by the minute now.
You're gonna spend big money today.
I'll still spend more money.
This thing has been preserved in time.
I know, I saw it. I wonder who's that is. Dude, Sam is probably because he like just puts everything outside his door or whatever.
That one's not coming out for a month.
Oh, my knees.
This dude's torquing his wheels down. No one does that. No one does this. Look at this. Idiot. He doesn't even know it. Such an idiot for that.